Good morning, class. Today we are starting with exercise 13.3. So, in the exercise 13.3, we will be dealing with the remodeling or recasting, the conversion of the solids. These questions we have already done in class 9th. So, starting with the exercise, the first question is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. A sphere whose radius is 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into a shape of cylinder. Means after melting the sphere, what we got is we recasted it into the form of cylinder. What we are given, a radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter and we need to find the height of cylinder. For sphere, radius is equal to 4.2. For cylinder, radius is 6 centimeter. Again here r is there, so r1, r2. Height we have to find. You already know, in case of remodeling, recasting, what remains constant? The volume remains constant. Means volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Always write this, the main idea of the question. After that, write the formula. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is equal to volume of cylinder pi r2 square h. Anything cancelled? Pi cancels with pi. What we have? 4 upon 3 into r1. 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. R2 is 6 into 6 and h we have to find. So to find h, these two 6 will go in the denominator. So h is equal to 4 upon 3 into, removing the decimals, and we have 1 upon 6 multiply 1 upon 6. Solving it, 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42. And solving this, the answer you will get is h comes out to be 2.74 centimeter. By this process you can solve this. By using these formulas you can easily get the answer. Now coming to the next question, the question number 2. Metallic spheres of radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. We have 3 metallic spheres. First is 6 centimeter radius. Second is 8 centimeter radius and third is 10 centimeter radius. They are melted to form a single sphere. By melting these, means these three, the volume of these three will be melted, added, and a new full big sphere is formed. We need to find the radius of this sphere. Let radius of this is r1, r2, r3 and this radius is capital R. r1 is 6, r2 is 8 centimeter, r3 is 10 centimeter. Now you already know that melting these three we will get a big sphere. Means volume of these three, the sum of volume of these three will give us the big sphere. So 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. Anything common from this side? 4 upon 3 pi is common. What we have? r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3 cancel. Pi cancel. R1 is 6. 6 cube 216. 8 cube 512 and 10 cube 1000 gives you R cube. R cube comes out to be, after adding these, what you will get? 1728. And 1728 is cube of 12. So R comes out to be 12 centimeter. This is how you are going to do question number 2.